Hey, this is Eric Whiteside, Whiteside Tackle Solution. Today we're going to learn the difference between the different types of tourniquets. We have the cat tourniquet. We have what we call the soft T, and this is one of the fairly new ones made by TECC Solutions. And lastly, we have what we call the SAM. And if you take a look, like it says, it's made by SAM. So it's your SAM XT. All right, so first one we have is the Cat 5 tourniquet. You also know Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7 tourniquet. Pretty much all the same, just a little bit of upgrade from generation to generation. When looking at this, same concept as always. You have the Velcro strap, which we normally have. We have the buckle to actually hook it into. In addition to that, you have your windlass. So the concept for this, like we've always practiced before, put it around 2 to 3 inches or high and tight. Get it there, cinch it down. Once you cinch it down, you then rotate till the bleeding stops. Once that bleeding stops, you lock it in. The extra Velcro you place in, just like so. Then you have your dog ear Velcro. Place it over to secure, write the time down. So that is your Cat 7 tourniquet. This one is a soft T tourniquet. So instead of having Velcro, you actually have your webbing. And similar to that of a belt, you actually hook it in. So when taking a look at this, here you have your buckle, you literally hook it in. Same concept when it comes to the windlass as well. So when I have a patient or I have a victim, same thing, you place it over, high and tight or 2 inches above is what we want to do. Cinch it down, so cinching it down like normal. Then from there, we crank it up. So as we crank it up till the bleeding stops, from there, we lock it in. Once we lock it in, we have what we call the little triangle. That triangle actually secures it in. So that's what we want to do is get that triangle and actually secure it in. Boom, there we go. And that's how you do the soft T tourniquet or the soft tourniquet by TECC Solutions. Your last one is your SAM tourniquet. Again, it's made by SAM. This is more of your ratchet system. But at the same time, you still have your windlass, like we talked about before. You have the hooks to secure it in. So for this one, put it around the victim or the patient. As you put it around the victim or the patient, you're literally sliding it in, just like this. So then we're sliding in like a belt. Cinch down. And now from here, we just cinch it. Then you heard that snap. That snaps mean it is actually placed in one of the holes and it locks in. From there, we twist till we stop the bleeding or till the bleeding stops. We secure the windlass in the hook. Then we place the extra Velcro in, just like the regular one. Then we place the Velcro lock on it, record the time. That's your that's your SAM tourniquet.